like Afghan?
Wow! Wow!
Would you like some fruits?
Wow!
Do you like? Open, open. What do you want? You want something? I have avocado for you. You want avocado?
Hi!
Hi, Trisha. Come, open, open. Okay, take what you want. Take what you want.
Kukunin niya lahat. Kukunin niya yan.
Trisha.
Give back, Krisha.
Give to tita. Give me, give me.
Give it back na.
Give to tita.
Krisha.
Give me. Okay, can you give that to me? Give to tita.
Ba't kaya ganyan bata? Ano?
Okay, can you
Give it back na. Give it back.
take it?
Kalas.
Come, take.
Take and give.
Okay, give to tita.
Not for nanay. For tita. Bili.
Tita.
Krisha.
Come, I have something else. Take. Krisha, I have another one. Take this one. Would you like this one? Okay, put here.
Put in the plastic na.
Put here.
Na-distract na siya.
Pick it up? Pick and put here. Can you put it here? Take here.
Stand up.
Here, shoot.
Put in the plastic.
Shoot it here.
Very good. Ay. Ano naman yan?
Wala, panlinis ko. What do you want? Which one do you want? Okay, put inside.
Uy. Kumupo na siya.
Put it here. Can you put it here? Place
Put it back in the plastic. Krisha.
Okay, place it here.
Bili na. Put back, put
Here,
back.
I get you something else. Come take this. Here, this one. Would you like this one? Okay, this is what?
Avocado.
Okay, can you put it here? Here, Krisha.
Krisha, no. Put all inside.
Okay, can you put them here? Can you put them here?
Very good. Nambablap.
Here, put inside.
No! Return na, return. Thank you. It's not for us. Uy.
O sige, sa kanya na lang yan.
Hindi na, uy.
Hindi, okay lang.
No,
Kasi,
hindi siya nagpuprutas.
hindi ba? Bakit?
Bumili nga ako ng banana, ng orange, apple.
Malambot pa naman to.
Ano ba yan?
Peach.
Isa lang.
Oo.
San? Only one.
Okay, stand.
Stand up.
Okay. We will
Siya
go.
talaga. Yala, bye-bye. Uy, Krisha.
We're going there.
Not in the highway. Uy,
There.
Krisha. Halika na, bili. Return na, bili.
Okay,
Anong
let's
oras
go
na?
home. Come,
Let's go home. Yala, bye-bye.
Let's go home, come.
Bye-bye, baby.
Let's go home. Let's go. Let's go. Go to our home. Let's go to our house. Ayan, let's go.
Yala, bye-bye.
Okay, let's go. Let's go to our home. Let's go to our home. Bring that with you, okay? We will eat that one in your home, okay? Okay. Let's go.
Na-distract na.